Let us graph y is equal to negative 2x squared plus 5. This is in the form of y is equal to ax squared plus c. A is equal to negative 2 and c is equal to positive 5. Step number 1. Find the axis of symmetry. If the parabola is in the form of y is equal to ax squared plus c, the axis of symmetry is always x is equal to 0 or the y-axis. Step number 2. Find the vertex. If the parabola is in the form of y is equal to ax squared plus c, the vertex is point 0, c. The equation of the parabola is y is equal to negative 2x squared plus 5. So c is equal to positive 5. So the vertex is equal to point 0, 5. Step number 3. Find at least 2 additional points. Plot the points and their reflections. Let us make a table of values. Let us assign a value for x and then solve for the corresponding value of y. So let us say x is negative 1. The equation of the parabola is y is equal to negative 2x squared plus 5. Substitute negative 1 for x. This is now equal to negative 2 times negative 1 squared plus 5. Negative 1 squared is equal to positive 1. Negative 2 times positive 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 5 is positive 3. So this is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3. The point now is point negative 1, 3. Let us assign another value for x. Let us say x is equal to 2. The equation of the parabola is y is equal to negative 2x squared plus 5. Substitute 2 for x. This is now equal to negative 2 times 2 squared plus 5. 2 squared is equal to 4. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Negative 8 plus 5 is equal to negative 3. So y is negative 3. The point is point 2, negative 3. Step number 4. Sketch the curve. In step number 1, we said that the axis of symmetry is x is equal to 0. Let us draw the axis of symmetry. So this is the axis of symmetry. And then in step number 2, we said that the vertex is point 0, 5. Let us plot this point. This is the vertex, that is point 0, 5. And then the additional points are point negative 1, 3 and point 2, negative 3. Let us plot the first point. This is point negative 1, 3. And then we plot the reflection. The reflection is this point. Point 1, 3. That's the reflection of the point. Then let us plot the second point. Point 2, negative 3. This is the 2 and then negative 3. So this is the point 2, -3. Then plot the reflection. The reflection is on the opposite side of the axis of symmetry. This is the reflection of the point. Let us now draw the parabola. So this is the parabola.